This is the 2026 Knaus Live Ti 650 MEG Black Selection, and it may just be the best value premium motorhome on the market this year. Knaus have taken over £12,000 of luxury optional extras and made them standard, then wrapped them in this stealthy Campobolo grey black finish. In this video, we're going to show you why this special edition is turning so many heads. You're watching SMC Motorhomes, let's get into it. Hi, I'm Nigel at SMC Motorhomes, and you join me today for this walk-around tour of the Knaus Live Ti 650 MEG Black Selection. Before we get into the vehicle, let's just go through some of the specifics. So it's 6.97 metres long, 2.32 metres wide and 2.76 metres high. It can come on the 3.5 tonne, but this particular one we have upgraded to 3,650. So now let's talk about some of the things that make this special. Firstly, take a look down the side. We've got this metallic black cab with the Campobolo grey sides and then the carbon effect graphics. Gives it a real presence on the road and makes it stand out. We have got the Fiat alloy wheels on there. Like I say, just take a look at those graphics, can maybe zoom in a bit on those. As we move along, all of this is standard equipment. So on the Knaus, they have aluminium sides, GRP roof and GRP back panel. So you've got the best of both worlds there. Comes with the Knaus premium door. So we've got the window in there, we've got LED above and the electric step below. We've got the aluminium framed flush fit windows, gas barbecue point, vent for your three-way fridge. It does come with a three-way fridge on this one. Storage locker for two 11-kilogram bottles. And then a large rear garage. The garage door is 110 by 80. And just take a look in there, loads of space for all that equipment. And as we just stood here, also if we look up above, we can see the awning on there, and then we've got two 100-watt solar panels up there. As we move around the rear, we've got the really sleek Knaus back panel and the really sleek LED lighting. Reverse camera up above. Coming back around this side, we've got a garage door on this side as well, so we can access all of our belongings from either side. Moving down, we've got our toilet cassette service area, Truma vent, and then our services locker. So in here we've got our electric hookup, we've got our frost protection valve, waste and fresh water dump. Fresh on this one, 100 litres, waste is 95, and the waste tank is heated. So perfect for those winter camping trips. So now we've had a look around the outside, let's get into the inside. Come on, you know you want to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon, you'll be notified next time we release a video. Spinning around the captain's seats up at the front, then opens up into this premium interior. Now, as you take a look around, you can't help but notice how light it is up here, because I've got the panoramic skylight up above me, we've got nice side windows, and lots of LED lighting up above. Now, the seating material used in this is soft graphite, which is exclusive to this Black Selection model. And as I look to the seats at the rear of the motorhome, they've got the really nice stitching, which shows the Black Selection logo. We've got the two travel seats at the rear, and they are both ISOFIX, so we can put child seats in there. We did quickly mention the door outside, but let's take a look at that. So, good solid door, we've got coat hooks in there, window with blind, the high quality handle, umbrella holder, and the Knaus multi-use bag. Also has a fly screen on there. Taking a look around the top, again, LED lighting everywhere, and really quality cupboards on this one, and they are all soft close, adding to that quality feel. Now, as I look to my right, we've got the lovely grey worktop, black accented tap, and like a lot of top quality home kitchens, these massive drawers for putting all your utensils in. Down below, we've even got an oven. So everything you'd need in this vehicle. Three-way fridge here, so it will work on gas, electric or 12 volt. So depending on where you are, you can use it on any of those. And it is automatic, so we just set it up and it does everything for us. A real engineering masterpiece is the washroom on this motorhome. So now let's take a look. As you walk into there, with the LED backlit mirror and the stainless steel accents at the side there, it does remind you a lot of a quality hotel bathroom. Turning around to the side, we've got mirrors there, we've got storage up above, and then also an heater vent there. This motorhome is fitted with the Truma gas electric heating system. Up above, we also have a little skylight, and then the shower tray below. Now, the real masterpiece of this is the swing door. So we put that around, and then we've got our spacious shower, which we can use. We don't get everything wet, and then we've finished, we swing it back round, and we're back into our toilet area. Twin single beds over a garage, arguably the most popular layout in motorhomes currently. So on my left, that bed is 2.02 meters by 78 centimeters. The one I'm on is 1.97 meters by 78 centimeters. We've also got the big infill cushion there, which just makes a massive bed back here. Now, as we take a look around at what storage options we've got these little cupboards up here for putting stuff in, and then cabinetry behind us. All of this has got nice LED lighting, and then a big long skylight above us so we can get some nice fresh air around here. We've even got the little reading lights there, which are tap on, and we can even turn them into blue lights for night lighting if you just want something subtle. So really comfortable place to be, and I could see it being a nice place to spend those weeks away. Knaus have really ticked the options pack up here in the front of the motorhome. So not only have we got the media centre, the cab air conditioning, the hill hold, we have got lane keep, we have got adaptive cruise. Yes, you heard me correctly, adaptive cruise on a motorhome. We've got the leather steering wheel, we've got electric parking brake, we have got all of those features that you can now get. The MEG Black Selection has a massive standard specification, which we're putting on the screen now. So let's now go through the optional extras we've added to this vehicle. We've got the panoramic skylight above the bedroom, carpets in the driver's cab, we've added the barbecue point, we've also ordered it with fitted sheets for the beds, and the 200 watt solar panel package, and the lithium battery, which is a 100 amp hour. And as we're filming today, that brings the total price to £83,735. We hope you enjoyed our walk around tour of this Knaus Live Ti 650 MEG Black Selection. Leave your comments below about what you like about it. Maybe you have some dislikes about it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and click that bell icon to be notified next time we do a video.